Everyone, last class we will discuss about molecular term symbols. In this class I will explain another example of O2. So oxygen have 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So we want only last electrons. So if we will draw the molecular orbital diagrams, MO diagrams, so we can take only p orbitals, 2p4, here also 2p4. We have 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons here, total 8 electrons, 6, 7, 8. These are pi star orbitals, antibonding orbitals. So, how we will know the delta value? So, here 2 electrons is there. These 2 orbitals are equal. So, 2 electrons we will fill like this. 1 electron here and 1 electron here. So, plus, minus, plus 1, minus 1 will be 0. So, lambda values 0, 1, 2, 3. S, P, D, F are molecular term symbols. Sigma, pi, delta, phi. So here lambda is equal to 0, that is sigma. And we have 2 electrons in pi orbital, pi star orbital. So it will be minus charge. Spin multiplicity. 2 electrons is there, plus half and minus half. Plus half minus half will be 1. So 2s plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Spin multiplicity 3. This is a pi star orbital. Already I will tell about what is G-rad and un-G-rad in the last class. So pi star we have G-rad. So here G. So this is the molecular term symbol for O2. And now we will discuss about what is the allowed transitions and what is the forbidden transitions. For example, if we take sigma G2 plus 2 sigma 1 mu U plus. So if we, here is the example. Here is plus charge and here plus, not a charge, plus symbol. Plus, plus, plus 2, plus, minus 2, minus. These are allowed transitions. Plus 2, minus, minus 2, plus. These are forbidden transitions. And also G-rad to un-G-rad, un-G-rad to G-rad. These are allowed transitions. G-rad to G-rad, un-G-rad to un-G-rad. These are forbidden transitions. And delta S is equal to 0. This is allowed. If delta S is not equal to 0, this is forbidden. And also one more thing, lambda is equal to 0 plus or minus 1. This will be allowed. So delta here, delta S is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So delta S is not equal to 0. That one is forbidden transition. So this transition will be forbidden. And another example. So I told you lambda is equal to 0 and plus or minus 1 will be allowed. That means lambda values are 0, 1, 2, 3. So here is sigma, pi, delta and phi. If we have sigma to sigma transitions, then lambda value will be 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So lambda value will be 0. This is allowed. And if we will have pi to pi, this will also 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is also allowed. Delta to delta, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is also allowed. Phi to phi, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. These all transitions are allowed transitions. And if we have sigma to pi or pi to sigma, whatever, so 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. If we have pi to sigma, then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That means if we have plus or minus 1, whatever it may be, plus or minus 1, this is also allowed. Why? Because delta is equal to 0, plus or minus 1 will be allowed. So like that, pi to delta, delta to phi, these transitions also give plus or minus 1 charge. These all transitions will be allowed. So, and we will take one example, pi 1 u. This transition will be allowed or forbidden. So delta s value, here we have s value, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Girate to ungirate, this is also allowed. So sigma value will be 0, pi value will be 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1, this is also allowed transition. Thank you.